Let's see how to download and install Canva app on your MacBook. The first thing you need to do is turn on the Wi-Fi and open any browser you usually use. I just open Safari. You can literally use any app. Click the search and just type Canva, download, search, and open the first site. Here you can see Canva for Windows, and at the bottom also available on Mac OS. You need to click Mac OS, download Canva for Mac, and click allow. That's it. Now click the download option at the right top. Here you can see Canva is downloading in the background. It's like 229 megabytes. Just wait until it's completely download. Okay, now it's downloaded. You just double tap. Now you need to move this to your application. Just hold and drag and drop it. Once you hear the sound, it's done. Now we don't need that anymore. Close that folders, everything. Here you can see it's just a file. It's not the actual app. You need to click the apps, and here you can see Canva. Open the app. First time only it will ask like this. Click open, and there you go. Just sign into your Canva app and you are done. So here we go. You can now start create your custom designs. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about Canva tutorials, you need to watch this playlist.